Josue de La Vega. I am a professional dancer from Puerto Rico and I live in Los Angeles, California.
Alright, any question?
I have been dancing for 18 years. In my credits you can find Mariah Carey, Cher, Doja Cat, Ariana Grande, Jason Derulo, some of Latin artists like Juan Gabriel, Paulina Rubio, Gloria Trevi. It has been a long career and it has been a long trajectory. The highlight of my career has been in Las Vegas for Mariah Carey's residency. I have a brother that passed away when I was 16 years old. That's when I started dancing, and he was a Mariah Carey fan. He never got to see me dance, so I dedicated my career to him. I never thought I would dance with his superstars, the artist that he loved. He was like her #1 fan. I did a solo, and in that moment, I felt like he saw me dance for the first time. It felt so good. I could feel like he was there. And I got goosebumps, and I finished that show crying and being so grateful because it felt like I fulfilled my purpose as a dancer. That's one of the things that I loved about being a dancer and about being on stage. It's because you transform, you become somebody else, or maybe the person that you really are. You never know. This is what dancing is about. It's about having a purpose, it's about feeling an emotion and making the audience feel what you're feeling on stage.
What? Drink some water. Oh my god, they're wearing me out.
My advice for new dancers will be persevere. Never give up. That's my advice for everybody. But for dancers, it's very important because you get discouraged so quick. Trust yourself, have confidence, give your all, make sure you connect with the audience, connect with yourself. Find the purpose of why you are dancing. I've always had passion for teaching. It creates kind of a legacy of all the knowledge that you have, and it will be so selfish from me to keep all that knowledge to myself when I have the skills to pass it on to the new generation.